So we are solving problems from Karnataka CET 2020 version D2. Problems on probability. Problem 6, which states that A and B are two events where probability of A is 1 by 3 and probability of B is 1 by 2. And P of A intersection B equals 1 by 6. So therefore we need to find P of A dash given B, which is, so here we need to find probability of complement of A given B. So we know that P of A dash B is nothing but 1 minus P of A by B. And this is already known. So this is given by the general expression P of A intersection B divided by P of B. Right? So now we have all the values and we can substitute the values and find the answer. So this is equal to 1 minus P of A intersection B is 1 by 6 divided by P of B is 1 by 2. So I get 1 minus 1 by 3, which is 2 by 3. So among the given four options, so this year in Karnataka CET, now if you do observe, in this year Karnataka CET 2020 question paper, 5 problems have been asked from probability. So you get an average of around 4 to 5 questions from probability each year. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.